Last summer, I had a pool cleaner that would just stop mid-cycle right in the middle of the pool every single time. I'd come outside thinking the pool should be clean, and there'd still be a layer of junk at the bottom, and I'd be like, what are we even doing here? So when iGarden reached out about the M1 AI, I was curious because this thing's built completely different from what I've been dealing with. In this video, I'll be partnering with iGarden to take a look at the M1 AI. I'm going to walk you through exactly why this pool cleaner stands out. Let's go ahead and get started. This is the iGarden M1 AI robotic pool cleaner. And the headline feature right out of the gate is something that they call the Bionic AI Dual Camera Vision. It's two Ultra HD underwater cameras working together to build a 3D map of your entire pool. It's not just bumping around randomly. It knows where the walls are, where debris is sitting, where the corners and steps are. It learns your pool, and honestly, this feels more like the direction pool robots are headed in the future than just another cleaner. And because all that processing happens on device, none of your camera footage is being uploaded to any server. iGarden calls it Privacy First AI with a secure enclave. Your visual data stays on the robot. I thought that was worth pointing out because a lot of people don't even think to ask about that with smart home devices. The feature that got my attention the most is definitely the AI target mode. Most pool cleaners just kind of do the same S-shaped pattern every single run, whether the pool needs it or not. This thing skips all of that when you're in a hurry. The binocular cameras scan the floor, spot where the debris actually is, and it goes straight there. This removes about 99% of debris in about 20 minutes. If you want to jump in the pool in an hour and it's looking a little rough, you don't have to wait on a full 2 or 3 hour cycle. Just run the AI target mode and you're good to go. It also does AI pool floor spot cleaning after the main pass, where it double checks for anything that it may have missed and goes back for it. That attention to detail is what separates a smart cleaner from a traditional one. Now, the battery situation on this thing is super impressive. The M1 AI runs up to 16 hours on a single charge. The industry average for cordless robotic cleaners is closer to 4 or 5 hours. So this is running 3 times that, which means it can handle large pools without stopping mid-cycle to recharge. That was my exact problem before, and this solves it completely. What makes that possible is something iGarden calls Infinity Drive, combined with the AI Inverter 2.0, which intelligently adjusts power output based on what it's doing at any given moment. Floor cleaning pulls different power than wall climbing, so instead of running at full blast the entire time, it manages energy smartly. They say it delivers cleaning performance at 1/10 the energy of conventional systems, so you're not just getting more runtime, you're also not watching your electric bill go up. If you set the AI timer, it'll auto-clean every 24, 48, or 72 hours. You can set it once, and the M1 AI can maintain your pool for up to 30 days with basically no involvement from you. That's the kind of hands-off ownership that I'm looking for. On the hardware side, they went with a dual grip traction system, 2 Caterpillar tracks, and 4 wheels, so it can handle complex pool shapes, steps, slopes, walls, curved floors. It grips smooth surfaces like vinyl, concrete, fiberglass, even algae-covered walls without slipping. That's not something cheaper cleaners can consistently pull off. The suction system runs 2 pumps through what iGarden calls a dual force flow system. Both motors share the workload, which keeps each one running efficiently and extends battery life while still pulling strong suction. More power without draining the battery faster. Usually those 2 things are a trade-off, but that's not the case here. And the filtration is a dual layer setup, 150 micron and 60 micron with a self-adjusting anti-clog design. When the first filter starts filling up, a pressure relief valve automatically redirects flow to the second filter so cleaning doesn't slow down or stop. For anybody who's had a cleaner stall halfway through because the basket clogged up, this directly fixes that. The filter basket itself is 4.5 liters, which is extra large. This means less frequent emptying, and it's especially useful after storms or if you've got trees dropping leaves near the pool. You've got several cleaning modes to choose from here depending on what the pool needs. There's a floor only, a walls and waterline only, full coverage, which hits everything, and the AI target mode that we talked about before when you need a fast spot clean. Turbo mode cranks the suction up to 300% for when you've got heavy debris after a storm or when buildup has been sitting for a while. All of it's controllable through the app or the touchscreen on the unit itself. The quad-core neural engine under the hood is what ties all of this together. It's running a dedicated 6 TOPS neural processing unit, which is what allows it to do real-time path planning, obstacle detection, and all the AI features without any lag. And they back this with a 3-year warranty and 24/7 customer support, which tells you they're confident in the build quality. If you're in the market for a robotic pool cleaner that actually uses AI in a meaningful way and not just as a marketing gimmick, the iGarden M1 AI is a serious option. You get long battery life, smart debris targeting, full wall and floor coverage, and it handles the pool maintenance on its own so you don't have to think about it. I'll be sure to drop a link in the description so you can find out more about the iGarden M1 AI and pick one up for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.